Well, I'm giving you the first alert for a dry stretch ahead with a warming trend throughout this week. And as we take a look currently from our Prairie Band Casino and Resort Live Storm Tracker, we are seeing clear skies across northeast Kansas. And you can see those clear skies from our Skycam and Emporia, sponsored by Washburn University. Right now, very mild outdoors. We are in the upper 60s to the low 70s right now. So pretty mild, a great time to get outdoors for that morning jog, or maybe if you're headed out to church, wearing something comfortable to church. Not really any concerns as far as those temperatures go. We will rise from around the mid 70s into the mid to upper 80s by peak heating hours between around 4 to 6 p.m. before we see our temperatures descend into the upper 60s going into the overnight hours. Today's forecast overall, I am forecasting it to be in the 80s and 90s, so a great day to be outdoors overall. You may even want to put out that sprinkler because we will have that dry stretch this week, and that may help keep your grass healthy if you mow it today with the nice weather. And it will also be sunny. Tonight's forecast, we will be in the 60s, and we will see clear skies continuing. Copy and paste conditions tomorrow as we will see easterly winds with temperatures in the 80s and 90s once again. And almost copy and paste as well going into tomorrow night. Maybe just a couple degrees cooler in some spots with those easterly winds continuing and those clear skies being abundant. Our temperatures versus heat index values will rise into the 90s by tomorrow, and we will see continued rise in those temperatures as we go throughout this week. We also will see a continued rise in those humidity values, which will spur the heat index values to rise all the way into the triple digits, as high as between 100 and 110 degrees for those heat index values. Right now, no heat advisories out though, but that's certainly something we'll be watching for. This is all because we have this heat dome, this ridge of high pressure that's building off to our west. It will move a little bit to the east, to the north of our area, and really just stay put for the next couple days, amplifying itself or strengthening and pushing those easterly and east-northeast winds into our area before it starts to shift south, and then it wobbles back to the west over the Rockies as we go into this weekend, and we will see warmer temperatures pull from the south and continue to also pull from the southwest, which will pull that humidity, but also that warm air that we get out in the deserts. And so I'm thinking that we will see this trend continue for at least the next 10 days, maybe even longer towards the next 2 weeks. Overall, we are looking hot. That's the main story this week. Rain chances are less than 10% through Fiesta on Saturday.